So I've got a few flights out of this FMS Cessna. So today it was more of just having fun with it and kind of trying some things. One of the things I really enjoyed doing is that back and forth. Takeoff, turn around real sharp, using the rudder, kicking that tail around, doing a nice landing, and back and forth. Then a lot of slow flight, and you'll see in this video, she will fly very slow. Doing those flat turns with the rudder, opposite aileron. Careful, don't go too slow or else you'll have yourself a bit of a trouble there. But very capable plane. I hope you enjoy the video.
Flaps up. Takeoff flaps, landing flaps. Time remaining 4 minutes. Takeoff flaps, flaps up. Time remaining 3 minutes. Flight pack 15.3 volts. Landing flaps.
Of course, I had to throw a little inverted pass in there. I really enjoy this slow flight, especially this plane and some of the others I have. It's just fun to kind of tool around. One of the things that I enjoy is that kick around with the rudder right there. Jam on left rudder, little opposite aileron, and just kind of gives that super sharp turn for tight quarter flying. Trying to get some tumbles and things out of her. She really doesn't do that very well. She has plenty of power, but I think just some of the aileron, rudder, elevator authority. I guess you can max it out, and I'm sure there's some guys that'll try to do it, but for me, it just wasn't happening.
15.0 volts. Landing flaps.
Another maneuver I like, or training practice, is just hover right, not hover, but hold off, touching down on the runway, just modulating that throttle. You're totally at a stall. You know, this plane was stalling out completely, but super great characteristics for a trainer kind of plane.
Remaining 1 minute. Flaps up. Landing flaps.
Thanks for watching. Appreciate you taking the time. Hope it was entertaining. Hope you learned a little bit about the plane and doing some flight maneuvers, training, and things like that. Hey, if you have a question, leave a comment. Of course, if you can, hit that like button. Just helps me understand I'm making the right kind of videos. Have a good one.
Motor off. Flight path 15.